Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Wednesday. Remember, the markets were closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving. So that's where these orange lines are coming from. And not a whole lot of things to update, more so just confirmation. So it's not like there's any new levels of support or new levels of resistance, but definitely confirmation via levels that I talked about in Wednesday's video. And the main one here is the bottom portion of this descending triangle pattern that I talked about on Wednesday. And that level is right here around the $6.20 range, give or take a few pennies. You can see recently, right there, the bears try to press below it, but the bulls bounce it back up. Once again, bears try to press below it, but the bulls bounce it back up. And then yet again today, and here's the confirmation. Once again, the bears try to press down through that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of, holding strong as support there. Now, by no means am I saying that's guaranteed to continue to hold as support, but you got to give credit where it's due. Let me extend this line out. Bulls are doing a good job of holding above there. However, you can, bet your bottom dollar that there are, plenty of shorts that are just eyeballing this. So I don't want to come across like I've discovered some sort of secret region that nobody else knows about. I'm not trying to come across like that at all. There are many people watching this very thing, including the shorts, because rightfully so, if this level does fall, then it would not be shocking at all to just see quite a bit of continuation to the downside. Now, no such thing as a guarantee in the market, so I'm not saying that, if that level falls and this thing's headed to $4 in 2 days. I'm not saying that, but would I be shocked to see just a continuation if the price breaks below? No, that would not be shocking at all. And anybody that used charts would be like, yeah, that wouldn't be shocking. So keep it on that level. But as it stands right now, the bulls are doing quite a bit of a good job of holding that support. Other area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be the top portion of that resistance trend line right here. But before we even talk about that, keep a close eye on the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. I didn't talk about that on Wednesday just because it didn't really seem pertinent. But now after today's price action, mainly that opening 30 minutes, you can see the bulls are actually making a decent sized move, and then they got right up within that range and ultimately got knocked back down. So yes, this upper portion of the pattern is a level of resistance, but now after like I said, this morning's action, keep a close eye on that purple line going into next week too. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. We'll see how it all unfolds next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate ETFs and stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.